Let's make Kraken Rum Punch from the Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Kraken Rum Punch from the Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hi, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Hi, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Kraken Rum Punch is one of the cocktails that is listed on the Kraken Rum's website. Other than that, I don't have much to say about it. I just think it's a good drink. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Kraken Rum Punch, you really do have to use the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. If you want to use another rum, feel free to do so, but then it's not really Kraken Rum Punch, it's another drink. Note that today we are making the cold version of the Kraken Rum Punch. The website does say that there's a hot version as well. I haven't quite figured out how to make that work, but when I do, I will make a video on that one as well. There are two ways to make this drink. Number one, you can make a big punch full of it, in which case you're going to use a lot of parts. However, you can also make it in the glass, and since I'm not hosting a party tonight, I'm just going to make it in a rocks glass. A note on the recipe. The Kraken Rum likes to use the term parts in their recipes, which works really great for some things, but not so great for other things. For instance, this is a rum punch. You can make it in the punch bowl, in which case you're going to have large parts. However, another part of the recipe is the dash of Angostura bitters. So if you've got a big punch bowl with one dash of Angostura bitters, that's not going to do a lot for you. However, if you're making in the glass and those parts are small, like an ounce, which is what I'm going to do today, then one dash of bitters does make a difference. I wish that the Kraken Rum would not use parts on their recipes, but that's what they do, so we're going to do the best that we can. Today, I'm going to make the Kraken Rum Punch in a rocks glass. I'm going to start by putting in some rocks, just a couple cubes of ice. Maybe 3. Okay, then I'm going to add my rum, the Kraken Black Spiced Rum, 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. And I always think it's so awkward pouring with these little things, my fingers in these little loops, but that's what I'm going to try and do. Then, 1/2 ounce, or 15 milliliters, of orange liqueur. I'm using Grand Marnier. You can use the orange liqueur that you like. 1 ounce, or 30 milliliters, of pomegranate juice. And I'm using organic, unsweetened pomegranate juice. I didn't squeeze this myself. I don't know how to juice a pomegranate. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 dash of bitters. The website does not specify Angostura, but that's what I'm assuming. 1 dash is 1 dash. And finally, the bubbly. It specifies a sparkling apple cider. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to open this up, probably off camera. We'll see in a moment. Okay, 3 parts of the sparkling apple cider. 3 parts, I'm using ounces. It's going to be 3 ounces, which is 90 milliliters. And I'm going to measure this time, though technically you should measure. Personally, I usually just top off. I am going to add a little bit more ice. Garnish. Garnish is an orange spiral. I did not spiral mine. I did a swiggle. Swiggle? What do you call this shape? Leave it in the comments down below. I'm going to put that across the top. And they want grated cinnamon. I've got ground cinnamon. I hope that's close enough. Kraken, let me know if it is. Perfect. And there you have it. The Kraken Rum Punch. Drink with good spirits. Let's get the poker out of my nose. Question of the day. What is the rhyme to make a punch? Do you know what I'm talking about? So many sweet, so many sour, so many strong, so many weak. What is it? Leave it in the comments down below and let me know. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Just contact me through one of the social media links down below, and we'll make sure you get one. And while you're there, you might as well subscribe to those social media links as well. Finally, if you made it this far and you like the Kraken, or if you don't like the Kraken but like the fact that I'm making the Kraken drinks, feel free to like and subscribe this video and make sure that you enjoy yourself. Cheers.